In today's video, I'll show you how to access Clean 2.1 for absolutely free. Now, let me make this clear. I don't know how long this is going to be free for. So if you're watching this video further in the future, then you may have missed the train. Also, make sure you follow along so that you don't miss any part of it. Before we get into the video though, the 90-day YouTube monetization challenge is still open. So if you're a content creator on YouTube and you're struggling to hit the monetization requirements, make sure you check it out. The link is in the description box below. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. First, we'll go over to Design AI. The link is in the description, and you can get started with your Gmail account or any other email address that you have. As you can see right here, you can try Clean 2.1 for absolutely free. So let me just show you how to get access to this. Once you click on the Try Now button, this is the page that is going to open up. Now, you'll need one of their paid subscription to access it, but you'll have a 7-day free trial for this. So once you sign up, you'll be able to access the Clean 2.1 for absolutely free. During the free trial, they always give 750 credits for video generation. So with those 750, you'll be using them on the rest of the models that are available. But when it comes to Clean 2.1, you'll be using it for 100% free. So let me show you this with my upgraded account. So once you've upgraded your account, just click on the Try Now button again. And this time, this is the page that is going to open up. Now, as you can see, we have the Clean 2.1 right here. As you can see, you use 0 credits for this. The rest, you can see the amount of credits that you're going to use with that particular model. Now, I'll just upload my first image. So let me just do that real quick. So I'll upload this image right here. Then I'll input my prompt. And I'm sorry, I forgot to film that. So let me just upload a new image. So I'll just delete this image right here. Then I'll also upload the new image. So this time I'll just upload this image of a unicorn, I think. So after that, I'll input my prompt. And once that's done, next I'll choose the duration. You can choose between 5 and 10 seconds. They are both free. So you can see the amount of credits that I have right now. And now I'll hit generate. Again, you can see it's written free. So I also have to mention that this works for image to video alone, because that model is only available for image to video. If you go to the text to video, these are the only available models. So unfortunately, you cannot use Clean 2.1 for that. For the image to video, these are all the available models, and you can absolutely use Clean 2.1 for that. So the video generation process is actually really fast with this. So as you can see right here, both videos are ready and my credits remain the same. So you can choose to use another model, but for that, you'll be able to see the amount of credits that you'll spend per 5 seconds of video. So I've used this severally, and like I said, I don't know how long this is going to be free for. So just take advantage of it while you can. So here are the 2 videos. Here's the first video. And as you can see, the quality is really good. The prompt execution is good. Like, Clean is one of the best AI video generators out there. So the second video of the pony or the unicorn, here it is. So smooth, yeah? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you found it useful, make sure you give it a like and share it with a friend so that more people can benefit from it. Until next time, bye-bye.